Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Shri Matre Namaha. Welcome to Veda Janani. Narayaniyam, Dashakam 29. Amrita Aharanam and Appearance of Mohini. Dashakam 29 is chanted in Vrittam Vasanta Tilakam. Chanting of this Dashakam helps to attain great fame. Shloka 1. Hey Krishna, you emerged from the ocean as Dhanvantri holding the pot of nectar. But what happened? The Asuras snatched the pot and ran away. The Devas became helpless. You consoled the Devas and you too disappeared. Hey Krishna, due to your Maya, the illusion, the Asuras started to quarrel among themselves. Udgachatastava karat amrutam haratsu daiteshu tan asharanan anuniya devan sadyastirodhadita deva bhavat prabhavat udyat swayutya kalaha ditija babhuvuhu Udgachatastava karat amrutam haratsu daiteshu tan asharanan anuniya devan sadyastirodhadita deva bhavat prabhavat udyat swayutya kalaha ditija babhuvuhu. Shloka 2. Hey Guruvayurappa, you then took the form of a beautiful young Apsara who had a beautiful complexion, young by age, and whose frame, that is the body, was bent due to the weight of her high heavy breasts. All the Asuras stopped their quarrel where they were having the pot of nectar, and they immediately approached you by infatuated by the sight of the pot-like breast. Shyamamruchapi vayasapi tanum tadanim praptosi tunga kucha mandala bhanguram tvam piyusha kumbhakalaham parimuchya sarve Trishna kulaf pratiyayustvadhuroja kumbhe Shyamam ruchapi vayasapi tanum tadanim praptosi tunga kucha mandala bhanguram tvam piyusha kumbhakalaham parimuchya sarve Trishna kulaf pratiyayustvadhuroja kumbhe. Shloka 2. Hey Krishna, the Asuras asked her, Hey lady with dear eyes, who are you? Please distribute this nectar among us. In order to gain their confidence from them, Krishna, you asked them, How did you trust me? This question served to strengthen their faith in you, Krishna. Katvam mrigakshi vibhajasva sutamimamiti arudharaga vivashan abhiyachato moon Vishvasyate mayi katham kulatasmi daityaha Ityalapannapi suvishvasitan atanihi Katvam mrigakshi vibhajasva sudhamimamiti arudharaga vivashan abhiyachato moon Vishvasyate mayi katham kulatasmi daityaha Ityalapannapi suvishvasitan atanihi. Shloka 4. Hey Krishna, The Asuras handed over the pot of nectar to you, who is Mohini, with great joy. She said to Asuras, "You must be prepared to put up any wrong or rude act of mine." Then you started distributing the nectar after making the Devas and Asuras standing in separate rows, while at the same time you were misleading the Asuras with your tempting postures and gait. मोदात् सुधा कलशमेषु दधत्सु सात्वं दुश्चेष्टितं मम सहध्वमिति ब्रुवाणाम् पङ्क्तिप्रभेद विनिवेशित देवदैत्याम् लीला विलास गदिभिः समधा सुधां ताम् मोदात् सुधा कलशमेषु ददत्सु सात्वं दुश्चेष्टितं मम सहध्वमिति ब्रुवाणा पङ्क्तिप्रभेद विनिवेशित देवदैत्या लीला विलास गतिभिः समधा सुधां ताम्. Shloka 5. Hey Narayana, when the Asuras were wrongfully expecting that you as Mohini were fond of them and so were waiting silently, you finished the nectar distributing among the Devas, as you always favor your devotees. Then Krishna, you took your own form and cut the head of Asura Rahu, who had drunk half of the nectar served to him, which he cunningly got by sitting in the row of the Devas. अस्मास्वीयं प्रणयिनीत् asureshu teshu जोषं स्थितेष्वत समाप्य सुधां सुरेषु त्वं भक्तलोकवशगो निजरूपमेत्य स्वर्भानुम् अर्धपरिपीतसुधं व्यलाविः अस्मास्वीयं प्रणयिनीत् असुरेषु तेषु जोषं स्थितेष्वत समाप्य सुधां सुरेषु त्वं भक्तलोकवशगो निजरूपमेत्य स्वर्भानुम् अर्धपरिपीतसुधं व्यलाविः. Shloka 6. Krishna, you made the Asuras pay a heavy punishment for having snatched away the pot of nectar from you and vanished. Then again, there was a fight between the Devas and Asuras, which intensified gradually. The Devas, under the illusory effects of Bali, swooned when you reappeared on the battlefields. त्वत्तः सुधाहरणयोग्यफलं परेषु दत्त्वा गते त्वयि सुरैः खलु ते व्यगृह्णन् घोरेऽथ मूर्च्छति रणे बलिदैत्यमाया व्यामोहिते सुरगणे त्वमिह विरासिः त्वत्तः सुधाहरणयोग्यफलं परेषु दत्त्वा गते त्वयि सुरैः खलु ते व्यगृह्णन् घोरेऽथ मूर्च्छति रणे बलिदैत्यमाया व्यामोहिते सुरगणे त्वमिह विरासिः. Shloka 7. Hey Vishnumurti, then in the battle you killed the Asuras Kalanemi, Mali and other Asuras, while Indra killed Vali, Jambavan, Bali and the Asura Pakashura. Then Namuchi, a Asura who was not capable of being killed by anything which is dry or wet, was cut off with a weapon made of foam. Then you stopped the battle on the advice of Narada, Krishna. त्वं कालनेमि मथमालि मुखाञ्जघन्त शक्रो जघान बलिजं भवलान् सपाकान् शुष्कार्द्रदुष्करवदे नमुचौ चलूने फेनेन नारदगिराण्यरुणोरणं तम् त्वं कालनेमिम् अथमालि मुखान् जघन्त शक्रो जघान बलिजं भवलान् सपाकान् शुष्कार्द्रदुष्करवदे नमुचौ चलूने फेनेन नारदगिराण्यरुणोरणं तम्. Shloka 8. Krishna, hearing about your female form to delude the Asuras, Shiva was keenly interested to see that form. He went to your place to see you, accompanied with his wife Girija and other bhutas. He prayed to you with praises and lyrics, and at his request, you vanished. योषावपुर्धनुजमोहनम् आहितं ते श्रुत्वा विलोकनकुतूहलवान् महेशः भूतैः समं गिरिजया च कदपदं ते स्तुत्वा ब्रवीत् अभिमतं त्वमथोतिरोधाः योषावपुर्धनुजमोहनम् आहितं ते श्रुत्वा विलोकनकुतूहलवान् महेशः भूतैः समं गिरिजया च गतपदं ते स्तुत्वा ब्रवीत् अभिमतं त्वमथोतिरोधाः. Shloka 9. Hey Vishnumurti, now you took the form of the Apsara Mohini and were playing ball near a garden. With rolling eyes, you looked all around. Your upper garment was sliding off your body frequently. Shiva, even though he had conquered Manmatha, could not resist his temptation at your enchanting, beautiful form, and he embraced you. Aramasīmani chakanduga gatalīla lolayamananayanam kamani manognyam tvamesha vikshya vigalad vasana manobhuhu वेगादनङ्गरि पुरङ्गसमालिलिङ्गम् आरामसीमणि च कन्दुगकातलीला लोलायमाननयनं कमनी मनोज्ञाम् त्वामेष वीक्ष्य विगलद् वसना मनोभुः वेगादनङ्गरि पुरङ्गसमालिलिङ्गा. Shloka 10. Hey Guruvayurappa, you managed to come out of his embrace and run away and were pursued by Shiva till his lust was given away. Therefore, Shiva realized your true form and being offered good wishes by you. He praised you to his wife Parvati and others. Hey Guruvayurappa, may be pleased you grant me also such healthy life. In Shloka number 10, as Parameshwara released his Viryam, the seed, Virya Pramoksha Vikasat Paramartha Bodha, Lord Ayyappa was born out of his seed. भूयोऽपि विद्रुतवतीम् उपधाव्य देवो वीर्यप्रमोक्ष विकसत् परमार्थबोधः। त्वन्मानितस्तव महत्त्वम् उवाच देव्यै तत्तादृशस्त्वमववात निकेतनाथ। भूयोऽपि विद्रुतवतीम् उपधाव्य देवो वीर्यप्रमोक्ष विकसत् परमार्थबोधः। त्वन्मानितस्तव महत्त्वमुवाच देव्यै तत्तादृशस्त्वमववात निकेतनाथ। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्प। सर्वत्र गोविंद नाम संकीर्तनम, गोविंद गोविंद। Now let's chant the Dashakam 29 in the medium speed fully. उद्गच्छतस्तव करात् अमृतं हरत्सु दैत्येषु तान् शरणान् अनुनीय देवान्। सद्यस्तिरोदधिथ देव भवत्प्रभावात् उद्यत्स्वयूथ्य कलह दितिजा बभूवुः। श्यामामृचापि वयसापि तनुं तदानीम् प्राप्तोऽसि तुङ्गकुचमण्डलभङ्गुरां त्वम्। पीयूषकुम्भकलहं परिमुच्य सर्वे तृष्णाकुलः प्रतिययुस्त्वदुरोजकुम्भे। का त्वं मृगाक्षि विभजस्व सुधामिमामिति आरूढरागविवशन् अभियाचतो मून्। विश्वस्य ते मयि कथं कुलटास्मि दैत्याः इत्यालपन्नपि सुविश्वसितान् अतानिः। मोदात् सुधा कलशमेषु दधत्सु सात्वं दुश्चेष्टितं मम सहध्वमिति ब्रुवाणा। पंक्तिप्रभेद विनिवेशित देवदैत्या लीला विलास कदिभिः समधा सुधां ताम्। अस्मास्वियं प्रणयिनीत् असुरेषु तेषु जोषं स्थितेष्वथ समाप्य सुधां सुरेषु। त्वं भक्तलोकवशगो निजरूपमेत्य स्वर्भानुम् अर्धपरिपीतसुधं व्यलाविः। त्वत्तः सुधाहरणयोग्यफलं परेषु दत्त्वा गते त्वयि सुरैः खलु ते व्यगृह्णन्। घोरेऽथ मूर्च्छतिरणे बलिदैत्यमाया व्यामोहिते सुरगणे त्वमिहाविरासिः। त्वं कालनेमिमथ मालिमुखान् जघन्त शक्रो जघान बलिजं भवलान् सपाकान्। शुष्कार्द्रदुष्करवधे नमुचौ चलूने फेनेन नारदगिरा न्यरुणोरणं तम्। योषावपुर्धनुजमोहनम् आहितं ते श्रुत्वा विलोकन कुतूहलवान् महेशः। भूतैः समं गिरिजया च गतः पदं ते स्तुत्वा ब्रवीत् अभिमतं त्वमथोतिरोधाः। आरामसी मणिच कन्दुक घातलीला लोलायमाननयना कमनी मनोज्ञाम्। त्वामेष वीक्ष्य विगलद्वसना मनोभुः वेगादनङ्गरिपुरङ्गसमालिलिङ्ग। भूयोऽपि विद्रुतवतीम् उपधाव्य देवो वीर्यप्रमोक्ष परमार्थबोधः त्वन्मानितस्तव महत्त्वमुवाच देव्यै तत्तादृशस्त्वमववात निकेतनाथ स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा सर्वत्र गोविंद नाम संकीर्तनम गोविंद गोविंद. I request you to subscribe to Veda Janani and hit a like and share with your family and friends.